The first thing is select our signature picture. In this case, I will select this one and let's move to Word document. Then let's click in the picture and then let's click on crop. So let's crop our picture and only select the signature like this one and then press enter. As you can see, only we have the signature here. Then let's select the color option and then let's go to black and white. Then we have here the wrap text. Let's put behind the text and also let's move on the line. Let's change the size, and then if we wanna the background will be transparent, let's select again the picture and go to the color and set transparent color and select the background. In this way, we can cut our signature on the line without any problem. I hope it worked for you. Thank you for watching and remember to subscribe and give like to the video.